back again with another interview here with Titan Market, Titan Capital Markets, with Mr. Emmanuel Peterson, and he's the head trader. Mr. Emmanuel, welcome.
Hello, everyone. I'm Emmanuel. It's good to see you all here, and all of you watching online. Yeah, it's good to see you guys. All right.
Great. We just have a few questions for you. First of all, we know that Titan is one of the biggest in the market, in the financial market. And we know that it's an Australia-based company, and that it has a financial talent cultivation proficiency. Is that being used to enter the Asian Pacific market? Could you tell us more detail about this?
Absolutely. So our company, all right, right now we're focusing primarily on Asia Pacific market, but not only that market. We're going to Africa, and we're planning on going to Europe, but more about that a little later. So we focus on cultivating financial talent, and we focus on training our members also. So if we couple that, financial training, financial talent, right? Guys working our team, right? We have a team of professionals with many years, and the training aspect also, right? That makes us one of the best in the market. Indeed, yes.
100%. Speaking of which, about the training, Titan has a training academy system. Do you believe that people with zero knowledge or no knowledge at all could join this training system, or they should have a minimal of a basic fundamental knowledge?
Okay, so if we're talking about beginners, right? People with zero financial knowledge, basic knowledge, even modicum of understanding on Forex. So I should say those guys just came to the right place, because we provide them with a number of courses. We have different levels. If you go on our website, Titan Capital Markets, then you will see that we have, let's say, basic Forex courses, which are free, right? Then we have a little more advanced, like intermediary courses, right? That require a small subscription fee. And then we have advanced courses for guys who actually, pay a little more, like premium subscribers. So all sorts of levels, right? Levels of knowledge, levels of expertise. Even if you have none, all guys are welcome.